Well, we finally made it in check-in, and we're getting ready to check our bags in, and we'll see y'all later. Alright, checking our bag in. 50 pounds. Well, we got checked in. We're about to go through security, so I got to cut the camera off. But just to let everybody know everything's okay, and we got our tickets, so we'll see you in a bit.
And that's how the weather is right now.
Alright. Well, we made it through security. I got a full body test over, pat down by a male officer. It wasn't that fun. See y'all. That took a little bit longer than I wanted to, but Sarah's first elevator ride. She's being good right now.
Okay.
Huh? Which way? Alright. Okay, now we're going to our gate. So, what'd you think about that security check?
Stupid. That was stupid. Oh, I had to dismantle everything.
Did your daddy get felt down by a male?
Yeah, I was.
Just because I have an implant in my leg. Okay.
I mean,
This is the one? This is the one? Alright. Well, I made it through a security checkpoint. We're now at the gate. This is our gate arm to where our plane will be coming in. And that's the tarmac right there.
No.
We just, the far side of the airport just had a lightning strike. But I wasn't filming out of that cloud over there.
Well, as long as it doesn't sound like horrible elevator music. Yeah, I'm gonna Band-Aid on the light.
Well, Sarah's starting to nap out. Hopefully it'll last.
I'm waiting until we're not
There goes the Delta jet. And the storm's coming in. We're waiting on our plane right now.
Yeah, we're not going nowhere.
Kind of hard to see, but that's the radar right now while we're waiting for the plane at 6:25 p.m. April the 22nd, Friday, 2011. Here in Bluegrass Airport.
All travelers, if any unknown person.
Well, it's getting darker out there. Our plane hasn't arrived yet. And
mine says 7:30.
I thought it was 7:30. I hope so.
I thought I was, but I didn't. get
Yeah, they got the wrong
things
time on the
done.
board from the site set.
Right.
Ticket info.
Right. Started doubting myself. I thought, oh no, I'm in the wrong place.
Yeah, I got up like 4 times to double check the board. Right flight numbers.
Can you believe that? Delta's going out right now.
That's not be too bad.
Here comes our plane. Maybe, no, that's another Delta.
Yeah, don't do this.
I thought it was. Two planes at the same time. And a big old storm overhead while we're waiting for our plane to get here.
That's what I'm looking for. No, it's that's the one we got. We ain't going nowhere.
Well, it's about 6:30. They haven't said we're delayed or anything, but our plane isn't here yet. Heavy rain on the tarmac now, and waiting for our plane. We've had some lightning, gusty winds come through just recently, but still waiting on our plane. Heavy rain on the far side of the airport. Heavy rain on the tarmac right now. This over here to the right is our gate arm. We're waiting on our plane still. About 6:35 now. Got a plane coming in. I don't know if it's ours or not.
How do you know that's ours?
The board still has us here. Oh yeah, it'll pull right up to that.